Good morning, children. Welcome to English language class. And today we will read chapter number 8, Degrees of Comparison. To understand degrees of comparison, now let's read these sentences. First one is Suresh is tall. Second, Prakash is taller than Suresh. Third sentence is Akash is the tallest of the three. Now children, these are called degrees of comparison of adjectives. As you have seen, in all the above three sentences, the adjective is tall, but it has been used in different forms. In the first sentence, the adjective tall is used in its simplest form, just to tell you about Suresh, and it does not make any comparison. So here the adjective tall is said to be positive degree. For example, tall and smart. These are the adjectives. They are in positive degree. In the second sentence, the adjective taller is used to compare two persons, Prakash and Suresh. An adjective taller is said to be in the comparative degree. And when we use the comparative degree, the adjective is always followed by the word than. For example, taller than or smarter than. And in the third sentence, the adjective tallest is used to compare more than two persons, Suresh, Prakash and Akash. The adjective tallest is said to be in the superlative degree. And remember children, that adjective in the superlative degree is always preceded by the. For example, the tallest, the smartest. Children, the positive, comparative and superlative degrees are known as degrees of comparison. Now let's learn the formation of comparative and superlative degrees form of the positive degrees. We usually form the comparative degree by adding er to the positive degree of the adjectives. To form the superlative degree, we add est to the positive degree. Let's see an example. Long, it's a positive degree. Er added to long to make the comparative degree, and est are added to make the superlative degree. And in the similar way, cold, colder, coldest, light, lighter, lightest, by adding er and est. Now second one, if an adjective ends in e, we just need to add r or st to the adjective to make the comparative and superlative degree. Wise, we'll just add r to make the comparative degree and st to make the superlative degree. For example, wise, wiser, wisest, fine, finer, finest, and brave, braver, bravest. If an adjective ends in y, we drop the y and add ier or iest in its place to make the comparative and superlative degree. For example, lazy, ending in y. So here we have dropped y from the lazy, ier added to it to make the comparative degree, and iest added to make the superlative degree. Lazy, lazier, laziest, busy, busier, busiest, and tiny, tinier, tiniest. Now next, sometime. While using or while adding er or est, the last letter of the adjective is doubled. We have to double the consonant to make the comparative and superlative degree. For example, thin, ending with single sound, single vowel or single consonant. So, in this we have to add the consonant. We have to double the last consonant given to the word. Suppose thin, positive word, ending in n, that is the consonant. So here, to make the comparative degree, we'll just double the last consonant, thinner, double N-E-R, and thinnest. To make the superlative degree, double N-E-S-T. In the similar way, hot, hotter, hottest, red, redder, and reddest. Here, the consonant is doubled to make the superlative and comparative degree. Now, sometime we use more and most when we compare adjectives having more than 2 syllables. For example, modern, more modern, most modern, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful, interesting, more interesting, and most interesting. And some adjectives change completely when turned into their comparative and superlative forms. They are irregular, like good. In comparative form, it becomes better, and in superlative form, it becomes best. In the similar way, bad, worse, worst, many, more, most, little, less, and least. Now children, it's time to do some exercises. Your exercise A is fill in the correct degrees of adjectives from the bracket. You have 3 options. The first statement is Rishabh is dash, then Atul. So, the correct degree is older, ER form, because we know that comparative degree is always followed by then. So, here we will write Rishabh is older than Atul. In the similar way, second one, these mangoes are sweeter than those ones. Third one is, this is the coldest place in the world. And we know that we always use the word the with the superlative degree. Now children, in the similar way, you can complete rest of the fill in the blanks. Now come to the next one. That is also fill in the blanks. Here you have to fill it with the correct degrees of adjectives given in the bracket. The first one is, this is the dash story we have ever heard. Long is given. Now the formation will be, the degree that will be used is superlative, longest. This is the longest story we have ever heard. Second one, diamond is dash then glass. Diamond is harder than glass because here it is compared with glass, and when there is a comparison between two, we always use comparative degree, and that is followed by the word then. Now children, in this way you can complete your rest of the sentences. Now come to the next one, that is, in these sentences you can see, in these sentences you have incorrect degrees of adjectives, and you have to correct those degrees and rewrite in the sentences. Now I'll tell you the first one. This is the tastiest dessert I have ever had. So here, tastier is the wrong one, used with the. We know that the is always used with the superlative degree. So here we will write the sentence again by using the superlative degree. This is the tastiest dessert I have ever had. Now second one, Rani wants colorful curtains than the ones we bought yesterday. So here Rani wants more colorful curtains. So here you will write the word more before colorful curtains. Then rewrite the sentence. And children, in the similar way you can complete your rest of the sentences. And now children, I hope you have understood the degrees of comparison. Thank you children.